Hey everybody, it's Peg, and I think by now you figured out today is Tag It Tuesday, and I'm going to work with some of these supplies I've acquired recently. Everybody's been acquiring these FW pearlized and inks, and of course I have lots of inks in a bottle, but these happen to be acrylic inks. Other companies carry them. This is a Liquitex ink, but I'm going to play with the pearlized ones today because what I have here is, this is some of that fused vinyl from Shannon Green, and she's cut it into a nice tag for me, and I think, well, that's appropriate for my Tag It Tuesday. And I just want to put some, I want to put some of this stuff onto, you know, because she told me that these acrylics would work on here. So I'm gonna just play by adding some of these acrylics onto this surface, because I like the surface. I really like the surface. It's flexible, and I have ordered, you know, the what do you call them? Faux yeah, I don't even know what the official name is, because yeah, that's how much I pay attention to that kind of stuff. Midori, I think is what they call it. Faux Midori journal from her. And if you don't know about it, go check her Etsy store, because yeah, there's fun stuff out there. Let's see, this is a real pretty blue, so I think I'll put a little bit of that on here. No, I'll hold off on the purple for right now. I want to get some water and just spritz this. Sorry, need to mute my phone because otherwise it'll be going off. Alright, we're spritzing this, letting it spread, and I'm just going to get that into the background and create something pretty, I hope. And I think these pearlized inks are going to look really nice. Not so crazy about the blue. Maybe add a little bit of that purple in there. Just a touch. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to dry this, and I'll be back. So one of the fun things about Tag It Tuesday, it says there are 4 prompts here. Use at least 2 prompts to alter a tag, ATC, or playing card. So I am going to, it says glue string or twine, draw something, love, and make marks with the edge of a card. So, see that? Okay. So I'm going to take the edge of a card. I have some more of this. Yeah, I have some more of this ink, pearlized FW ink. This one is called Waterfall Green. And I'm just going to get some of that on a card. And make marks with the edge of a card. Turn this around this way. Maybe a little bit here. Okay, so I need to dry that, and I'll be back. So now the prompt says something about draw, and so I'm going to draw a little character on here. I'm making this card for my grandson. He's my little colorful boy, and I thought I would make it something, you know, Valentine-ish that I can tie onto some sweet things that I give him or whatever. So, yeah, just getting out my Posca pens, going to create an image on this tag from Shannon Green and use what I have in my stash. So I'll be back in a bit. Oh, wait a minute. I have some more. Okay, folks, before I sign off, I just have to share this with you. This is one of those little addendums. So, yeah, here's the tag that I made today. Using up, these things here, you probably don't even get them anymore. So don't go out looking for them unless you're in a secondhand store because um, I've had these forever. But you can do this just with some paper and stickers and things. These are just little ribbon tags. And I made this with this chain so that the nose could move around and he could make funny faces. I have this grandson. Did I tell you about my grandson? I have this grandson, and he says, Grandma, I am just a colorful boy. And I said, honey, yes, you are, because he always does everything with a lot of color. And I love that about him. We have a lot of things in common. So, and I can't leave things alone, right? So, okay, you've seen the tag. I want to share with you what kinds of things you can get in Shannon's Etsy store. Now, she does, and go over and check her channel because she has a fabulous channel that shows you all kinds of things. But this is one of her Pomodori journal binders. And you see it's all fused. It has, okay, so she included all of this stuff in here. And I'll show you what this stuff is. But it comes like this with instructions so that if you want to decorate your cover, like if you want to do this kind of thing on your cover, you can just take these cords out and it shows you how to restring it back in here, which I think is just the coolest thing. And yeah, I'm loving that interior. I guess I didn't notice that before. Okay. And then this is one of her custom keeper pieces. This is so cool because this slides right in underneath here and holds your tools. If I wanted to put my bone folder in here, I just stick it into one of these pieces. If I want to put my tweezers in here, I just, slide it in under one of these pieces. If I want a paintbrush in here, so then when I'm taking my journal someplace, I can just have all that stuff
right there inside and wrapped up. How cool is that? Is that cool or what? Okay, so then look at this. This is one of her little mini books. It's so sweet. It's so cute. She's taken, salvage papers and things and stapled them right into the cover. So, I mean, this is another thing that you can do with this material. This material, I could take a piece like this and I could make my own little book out of this piece of material and paint it up because she sent me these scraps, which are awesome. They can all become things. These little tags, you saw me make something out of the tag. And then she also sells, okay, look at this. Look at this. This is so cool. This is her little, I don't know, is that supposed to be like it's a little small for a artist trading card, but a little big for an inchie. But how cute is that? Really cute. It's got a heart and Shannon on it. And then these are ATCs, which are pre-cut and ready to roll. So I can use these to create some really cool ATCs. So yeah, okay. I had to share that with you because Shannon does fabulous work and I love what she's doing. So if you don't know about Shannon, this is her card. Shannon Green, maker of stuff. And its Etsy shop is by BY Shannon Green. And her YouTube is also by Shannon Green. And she has a website which is byshannongreen.com. So check her out. She has great stuff. And I'll see you again later. Bye for now.